What should I do if I can't find my old call history on my iPhone?
Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common problem many iPhone users face: missing call history. Whether you accidentally deleted your call logs or they just mysteriously disappeared, we've got you covered. Let's explore some handy ways to recover your call history on your iPhone.
Did you accidentally delete your call history?
Before we dive into recovery methods, let's confirm if you've accidentally deleted your call history. The iPhone doesn't have a recycle bin feature like some other devices, so once you delete your call history, it's not immediately retrievable from the device itself. If you can't find your call logs and don't recall deleting them, let's move on to the next steps.
Is your call history backed up?
The good news is, your iPhone automatically backs up a lot of your data, including call history, if you've enabled iCloud backup. If you have, your call logs can be recovered by restoring your phone from an iCloud backup. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on General. 3. Scroll down and select Reset. 4. Tap on Erase all content and settings. 5. Once your phone restarts, follow the instructions until you get to the Apps and Data screen. 6. Select Restore from iCloud Backup. Remember that restoring from a backup will replace all data currently on your phone with the data in the backup.
Can you use a third-party recovery tool?
If you didn't back up your phone or can't restore it for some reason, you might want to consider using a third-party recovery tool. There are numerous software available online that can help you retrieve deleted call history. Be sure to choose a reliable and well-reviewed one. Please note that some of these tools may require payment for full functionality. That's it for today, folks. We hope these methods help you recover your lost call history. Remember, regularly backing up your iPhone can prevent data loss in the future. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks, and as always, happy troubleshooting.